I pity those who taking SPM last year.
They
this
just
year.
They cannot take SPM last year. They're taking
No, I
it
mean
this
like
year.
they're
just
taking it this
finished,
year,
right?
but can you imagine the one that this year have to fast track?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know.
Like those
Wow.
are supposed to go into college already.
yeah,
Have to stay back.
that's a sad part.
But then they have like 1 year of holiday lah. So doing nothing.
I think in Asian, what do you think? Okay, we all like, for Asian culture, we follow the age very strictly. You know, okay, 17 finish SPM, 18 masuk college, then by 21 you graduate,
Yeah.
then 22 start working, right?
Want to
So
make sure
if
you get out of
people-
the house soon and earn money, man.
Oh, so if people delay a bit, then like how will all these SPM students feel?
More or less, I think the parents' point of view will be like, I have to feed this.
For another 1 more year.
on the children, I cannot get out of the house.
But then I guess it's
Like that.
whoever that continues study after SPM slightly later, right? Like, take the time to like spend a year or two just working, right? They will actually understand the situation,
Which is what you did.
Which is what I did.
Oh.
Which for me, right, I didn't further my study immediately, I just take my time and chill. I further my study at the age of 21, 22. So like, there's no pressure, but the pressure comes in when you graduated at the age of 25, like everybody will start working already. But
There's peer pressure lah.
yeah, but then again, everybody have their own pace of going.
Yeah.
You follow your own pace. So whoever is like feeling that, oh shit, I need supposed to be in
People
uni
are
right
getting
now.
married
like,
already. People are
don't-
going through this, and I'm still here studying.
And then
It's fine.
I guess like in a different way, you can look at it like it's a time for you to like slow down.
Yeah.
Slow down
I
for a
agree.
bit.
Because
Even
life is
without the
going too
pandemic,
fast.
yeah,
Yeah.
you don't have to follow other people's. They always say you don't have to follow other people's timeline.
Yes. Like
If you don't feel like you're ready to go into college yet,
Yeah,
right?
especially Gen Z, someone because they're so exposed to this kind of internet and everything. Basically, they're absorbing every day.
yeah.
So it's good for them to like slow down, but then when they're at home also they absorb lah. So I
Yeah,
don't
but
know.
like, so during MCO, okay, this is my new hobby-ish or routine.
Uh-huh.
Every night I get lost in TikTok.
TikTokers.
No, my algorithm is
Should go there
quite
and start
fun.
doing this.
It's
guilty
like,
as charged, bro.
no, mine has no dance stuff at all. It's just all the a lot of food
Sorry.
and comedy and home interior or tutorial stuff lah. So you see, I come across a lot of Gen Z TikTokers who are doing very, very well for themselves. Like some of them are not even in college yet.
Getting paid $1 million a day.
Don't know lah how much they earn.
Inshallah.
I don't know how it
Inshallah.
is.
We don't know.
maybe we
But
don't
that's
know.
the thing with all this social media stuff. If these kids feel like by 18 they can fend for themselves by what they do online, right, on social media or whatever, then they might decide not to study. What?
It's up to them lah. I mean, if it's really up to them, whoever wants to pursue knowledge or whatever, no matter even if you can earn money, but you
Yeah.
still think that knowledge is power,
think-
then you go learn lah. But if you think that money is king, then you.
But I still
Not to say
believe
that
that
either one is wrong
education.
lah.
Still believe that
I don't
education
think
is
not
important.
either way is wrong. I mean, like, some people might, family struggling, need to earn money, like
Depends
it's
on
similar like
circumstances
how
and
it
stuff,
was. It's just that this time it's like COVID coming like, bruh, you ain't go anywhere, bruh.
No.
The only challenge, probably, I'm guessing the Form 5 students who are taking SPM this year will probably go into college with those from last year, I guess. So there'll be a bigger batch of students trying to enter college.
Maybe at the same time they'll feel like, I'm studying with people who are younger than me. Feel like,
Which I don't think it's a problem.
they might have felt like, like I take Peralihan like that.
Okay, they don't have that, like
They don't know Peralihan
where
anymore.
got now?
Don't have.
Really, man?
Come on.
Don't have.
Okay,
We
lah,
are
for people
used
who
to
don't
that.
know what Peralihan is,
Peralihan is when you get selected to skip.
to stay back 1 year. No, stay back 1 year.
No.
Step back
that
one
one's
year or-
PTS.
PTS.
PTS is skip. Peralihan is
Stay back.
stay back because you Malay no good.
Yeah,
Stay back
fail
1 year.
BM. Those who
Oh.
fail BM, yeah.
I've never have among my friend Peralihan.
So I
only
had-
have PTS only.
Yeah.
Smart. Yeah, usually it's Chinese school student.
Like my friend, I have two who went to PTS like skip, like both of them.
That means they're smart.
But
Smarter.
around me, like for me, my college batch, right? Even my friend group, all we my college batch also have both people who stayed back 1 year and people who skipped 1 year. So we all, at this point in life, we all ended up the same point in life.
Yeah. So it doesn't really matter. Okay. Even if you SPM late, you SPM early,
Graduate college
you
late.
think you smarter. In the end, you go to college, you still feel like you dumb like everyone.
Yeah, that's true.
Unless you're really, really smart, like you like
I
Bill
saw
Gates
this.
or
I
whatever.
saw this. My friend shared like the meme. It's like studied engineering. Go work at the engineering company. All the knowledge useless. Useless. Why? Because you start from zero.